Hi, Spencer Stang here, CEO of HireScore.com. I'd like to invite you to participate in a 45-minute discussion about your hiring process, your hiring needs, basically what you think you could do to improve your process. Um, as part of that discussion, what I would offer is a comparison of your process compared to what I would call the ideal process from a statistical, scientific perspective. I think it's useful to evaluate the steps of your process as they compare to the ideal. Now, the ideal isn't always achievable or feasible or logistically it can be cumbersome. So in some cases, it just doesn't make sense. But in other cases, I think I might be able to offer you potential improvements that are low cost, easy to implement, and would have near immediate ROI. And when it comes to hiring people, even a little bit better over the long term has huge payoffs. So, if interested, please sign up on my calendar on this page, um, and we can talk more in the future. Thank you.